Okay, here we go. We're actually now we're now in California, and stayed in Eureka last night. Didn't plan to, but it was getting wet and cool, and I really liked the series Eureka, so I thought it was pretty damn cool. So we're gonna jump off the Highway 101 right now, and instead of going down 101, we're gonna jump on Highway 1. And really got to be careful as I stripped down, changed a little lighter. I already saw a couple state cops, so I'm also running a little bit of music right now, so my voice might not come through quite correct. So here we go. It's supposed to be in a nice little road. 15 miles an hour. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah. Okay, that was 15 miles an hour. Okay, get ready. Lean this sucker and watch the sides. Oh, it feels good getting out of the sweatshirt and taking my outer layer off. I'm just kind of wondering where that state trooper is. Okay, now if you're ever wondering if you should get a GPS, I say yes, because now I don't know this road, but if you look down, I kind of get an indication of what corners are coming. Got someone lasering here, so I gotta be careful. What a nice highway. You're down. Oh. My wife will freak at that one. Learn how to brake in a corner. You might have to sometime. Holy shit, what a beautiful road. Okay, we got a tight one coming up. Oh man, what a beautiful road. Okay, really tight corner. And I don't see how anyone can speed on this highway if it is 50. Too fast on that one, I kind of blew it. Bad corner. Watch for bicycles. Yeah, I can see bicycles on this road. Beautiful road. Tight corner. Just a beautiful day. Not again. Got me once. Okay, someone's pulling dirt into the road. Gonna have to watch that. Oh, just beautiful. So it's the first day. First day, really nice weather since being in the States. Minus, of course, my little incidents coming across the border. That was pretty damn hot. Since then, though, this is the first day. Oh, front brake, slow down. Oh man, I might have to do this again. This is the first day, some nice weather. The last couple days were all mist, overcast. It was actually quite cold riding. And today just kind of sweating. But now, while I was having a smoke there was no one coming down this way, so I really shouldn't run across anyone. Tight corner. Got a tight one coming up here. Oh, we got something on the road too. Okay, this is a tight one. Oh, get down, get down. What a beautiful road. Okay, you must do this road if you ever come down this way. Don't stay on the 101. And just remember, stay peg heavy. And I really suggest keeping attention to your front brake. Wow, this is a workout, man. Okay. and I figured out what my laser's doing. I can't really see him coming down here, minus that one guy, because there's no goddamn way in hell you can speed on this road. My Garmin's telling me it's 88 kilometers an hour. By the time you get into the corners, there's no way. Whoa, rear end slide. Low, low, low. Yeah, oh wow. Okay, not too bad. Slow sweeping corners. Roadwork, 1 mile ahead. Okay. Well, I was listening to music. Seems to have died on me. Guess it's objecting to working today. Oh yes, what? Just beautiful. And I love these redwoods. Not as, you know, I should have had my camera back on when I was just going through what I'll dub as the redwood forest about half an hour ago. To stop. There we go. Oh. Is this mostly downhill for you?
Not really.
No? You're crazy.
That's a lot easier, huh?
Oh, big time. It's actually worked though.
Yeah.
Couldn't even do the speed limit. Oh! You must be in pretty damn good shape.
I will be after this.
Yeah? Okay. So just a hobbyist or actually race?
Just hobby.
Okay, gotcha. I see you got the yellow jersey.
Yeah.
Good thing about this, it's going to be free and clear.
What's that?
It's going to be free and clear.
Yeah.
Hey, is the speedometer or speed limit 88 or 50 miles an hour on this road?
I don't think so.
45?
I don't.
Hey, excuse me. What is the speedometer on this road? What's the speed limit on this road? 45? Okay. Okay.
You have a camera there and a camera there?
Camera there, camera there. 4 cameras.
Wow. And a radar detector?
Yeah.
How far are you going?
All the way down to Los Angeles. Up from Alberta, Calgary, Alberta.
Okay, dump truck coming up the hill. Truck coming up the hill.
As soon as it hits 106 degrees, the fans kick in.
Yeah. Oh, cameras and everything?
You got her. Beautiful road for it.
So you take a little movie?
Yeah, yeah. I got 4 cameras so I can cut different perspectives, front, back, rider view, this view if you're looking that way and stuff like that. Makes for really neat videos.
Yeah.
A lot of fun. That would be a lot of fun in here, though.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. And you must even have to slow down for some of these corners.
I do.
Yeah.
Not knowing what's coming is cool.
Well, that's what's beautiful about this.
Yeah.
I'm not joking. You look down, it's okay. I got a tight snake coming.
Yeah.
And because there's one corner, fuck, I almost blew, man. I was riding the line, and it just happens. A car's coming the other way. It's like, ah.
Okay, I'm going to release some traffic down the hill then.
Alright. Have fun.
You too. Thank you. Okay, a little bit of a delay. This is not nice. Not nice at all. And we got Junior Lance Armstrong slowing down. Just increasing the GPS map a little bit. Yeah, I want a little better definition on these corners. Because yeah, one corner almost got me. Jumped something there. Other side. Down. Come on, baby. Okay. We're in the really twisty shit. I love it. Just remember, stay heavy on your pegs. Let you slide across your seat. Well, actually, I'm barely touching my seat right now. It's mostly legs. Whoa, nice! Holy shit, 20. Oh, down. Like I say, keep ready on your front brake. Wouldn't really suggest using the back in here unless you absolutely have to. Whoa! We got a tight one. Slow right down for this one. Yeah, very tight. Oh yeah, fucking beautiful. Whoa, front brake heavy hard. Heavy hard. Sweet. Go. gosh. Oh man, what a beautiful road. Don't miss this one if you're coming down this way. I know I said that already, but God, I like it.